this is your host, Kez Enriquez, and this is Talent Explosion. Now I'd like to big up all Jamaicans who have been calling me to display your talent. Call and set up your interview. Remember, call 847-4934. Make an appointment and set up your interview for Talent Explosion. Remember, no matter what your talent is, call. Make we showcase your talent. Who is to tell? This might be your big break. Talent Explosion. Links TV. Flow, Channel 394. Oliver, Channel 45. Starcom, Channel 4. Hey yo, Talent Explosion. We have mad talent for you. Sit back, relax, and watch. Talent Explosion!
So your computer isn't working okay. Don't be disheartened. Come to Computer Genie and we'll fix it for you. Shop 12D Portmore Mall 988-3997 or 883-0525. Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
Fair restaurant, best in Portmore. Steamed fish, fried fish, escovitch fish, don't talk about it. Pork, chicken, maximum.
We specialize in jerk pork, jerk chicken, regular Jamaican dishes, oxtail, curry goat, with the roti, etc.
People, wanna see that number, yeah? Links TV turn up loud with the pan 3 cable network now. On the done the know so with the power Oliver Channel 45 no with the pan flow cable Channel 394 but now with the pan Starcom Channel 4. Links TV turn up loud. Links TV the pan Channel 4. Tell a friend we turn up loud. Links TV gone global. We maddy.
People, it's over. Portmore, this is it. Jamaica, this is it. This is a new brand studio. Groundwork studio over Portmore Mall. People, the studio are brand new and fresh. Turn up loud. If you want to book the studio, if you want to do your demo, if you want to do your recording, make sure say you call this number. You see the number that will come up and the BB there, lock on to them right now. People, you see this recording studio, it lock in with Links TV. When you do your recording, you get a chance to come for my show for your interview. So remember, people, Portmore Mall, inside Portmore. It's the best studio right now. Groundwork studio over the Portmore Mall. You don't have to worry about security. You're safe upon the mall. Everything lock in. Mad.
Hey Jamaica, right now I feel blessed because I am in the presence of
Ronique.
the lady Ronique, showing to us which talent.
Wonderful talent anybody else can have in this world. And it's singing, you know.
Alright, so Ronique is a singer. Yeah? So how you sit down and thing, you know, me wonder if it's a classical song you're gonna give away. One of them hoo 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 hoo. And
So from your mind conceived, then you shall achieve it.
alright. Talent Explosion. I wonder if we not take it in. Ronique say anything your mind conceive you will achieve. Give Father God thanks. You don't know him give away all talent, yeah? So Ronique, when did you realize that you were a singer? When you realized you have this talent?
Well, I realized that I could sing at a very young age. While attending church, I used to sing praise and worship, and I used to do every little thing once it relates to music. But when I realized that I have to do something about this, is when I look into it and I say, But John, no, you know something can sing though. So you know something have to take it to a next level.
Yeah, you got singing talent.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Jamaica. Alright, so later Anik, have you had any formal training in the whole music industry?
In my bathroom. In my bathroom is where I just polish and shine it to perfection.
Yeah. Alright, so you don't know God gave her the talent and she just polish it up in her bathroom. It seems like it's an ex-karaoke singer, but anyway, we will see, yeah? Alright, how has your talent benefit your life so far?
With a talent such as singing, it is a wonderful thing when you can sing. Say for example, you're in a position in which you don't feel like anybody can relate to how you're feeling. You just always have some songs or a specific song that will just pop up. Like it smooths you, it calms you down, and it is the only thing. Once you love singing, I promise you that if you're down and in a position that you feel like there's no getting out, singing or music can help you through.
So you say almost any situation will come up on you, there's a song where you just use and polish it off.
Exactly.
Then suppose you want also money and your father or your mother say, boy, no money no there, no really, and you well want the money. Which song you da draw for?
Work hard every day, thank God, just in case you didn't know. Am I
Boop,
life?
boop, boop, boop. Alright, watch out. Suppose you find out, say boy, your boyfriend a cheat on you. Which song you da draw for?
Your man a give on, give me back. Myself, your man a give
Talent explosion! Lady Ranik. Alright. Alright. How do you see music benefiting your life? Say in the next 5 years. Where you see music a carry your life?
Well, ending 2012, I made a goal saying by 2013 or 14, I should be a singer that everyone knows and everybody can look up to. Because once you love something, you're not going to stop until you reach as far as you want to go. And singing is what I enjoy doing more than anything else in this world.
Alright, so you hear it from Ranik. Singing No Limit. Beyond and above the stars. You understand we're talking about the whole universe. All I sing for some Martian. Oh, you da sing for some Martian. Something like, you know? I don't know. Anyway, me like what you say about the next 5 years. But then again, you know, say you can't just have a dream, but you have to have ways to work towards that. Yeah? So what are some of your plans towards getting where you want to go?
Working hard. That's the first thing. You think about what you want, you work for it, and then you claim it.
Yeah.
So if you have a talent such as singing, you're going to say, the next 5 years, I want to be well known. There are a lot of opportunities out there these days, such as Digital Stars, Magnum. If you think you're capable and brave enough, and you love singing, just to enter that no matter what the judges might say, you're going to enter.
So what you say, in a few years, we're going to see Ranika tear down the Magnum stage and pop down the Giselle thing.
Should be.
Hey, viewers, when you see her on the Magnum thing, you know, run the vote, you know. You understand me? Members say you saw her on Talent Explosion. See? And anyway, we're not in the whole heap of chat thing. You see right about now, we want to hear the lady Ranik sing her song, don't it? Talent Explosion! Yo, it's a dynamite thing.
Lord Jesus, oh the place full of bad men and some people were so evilous. Enough of them want test, but them can't test where God bless you know, say them heartless, but me go and press regardless. On and on we go, on and on we go, on and on we go, coming now. So from your mind conceived, then you shall achieve it. No make them stop you with them bad energy, yeah. Them no love, only evil, them no free, them no harm if it be cause Jah made me fly away, fly like a million sparrow. Take me away from the harrow. You know, Jah made me fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hope for. You know, people talk. That's what they do. but they don't understand. Oh, me still a push and go through. Yes, they laugh, they call me names. When them see me, them just keep on talking. Me no response, I just keep on walking. I've got my pride, me nah go show my bad side. Enough of them see me as a big pushover. Left me for dead, think I'm gonna kneel low over. Oh no, not I and I will survive. Never let them get you down. Never let them see you frown. Never let them take away your liberty. Live your life and be free. Never let them get you down. I'm just a woman. Help me believe what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb, and for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that is all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do everything that I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time.
Yeah, see there, you heard it on Talent Explosion. Where you say, one day at a time. So we have to take with talent, one day at a time. Make a aim and work towards your aim. Do remember, Talent Explosion, Links TV, Flow, Channel 394, Oliver, Channel 45, Starcom, Channel 4. Call me and make some appointment for set up your interview. Call 847-4934. Talent Explosion. Send some big up, make the big up who you for big up and make the people them know how them can get to you if them need you for do a show.
Yeah, you can link me at 594-2148. Want big up the whole Linstead family, whole Charlie Mount High School, PCC, all of my friends them. Big up. Zine?
You hear that? So any funeral, any wedding, eh?
Tell your man.
How we say talent not stop here. Talent bring earnings, you see me? Talent Explosion. What is your talent? Call me and make me know, no? Yeah.
So your computer isn't working okay. Don't be disheartened. Come to Computer Genie and we'll fix it for you. Shop 12D Portmore Mall 988-3997 or 883-0525. Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 GB of RAM, 500 GB hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
25 restaurant, best in Portmore. Steamed fish, fried fish, escovitch fish, don't talk about it. Pork, chicken, maximum.
We specialize in jerk pork, jerk chicken, regular Jamaican dishes, oxtail, curry goat, with the roti, etc.
People, you see the number, yeah? Links TV turn up loud with the pan three cable network now. On the done the know so with the power Oliver channel 45 no with the pan flow cable channel 394 but now with the pan star come channel 4 Links TV turn up loud Links TV the pan channel 4 tell a friend we turn up loud Links TV gone global we maddy.
People, it's over. Portmore, this is it. Jamaica, this is it. This is a new brand studio. Groundwork studio over Portmore Mall. People, the studio are brand new and fresh. Turn up loud. If you want to book the studio, if you want to do your demo, if you want to do your recording, make sure say you call this number. You see the number that will come up and the BB there? Lock on to them right now. People, you see this recording studio, it lock in with Links TV. When you do your recording, you get a chance to come for my show for your interview. So remember, people, Portmore Mall, inside Portmore, it's the best studio right now. Groundwork studio over the Portmore Mall. You don't have to worry about security. You're safe up on the mall. Everything lock in, mad.
Yeah, welcome to Talent Explosion. Now, I'm sure the viewers at home looking and wondering who this man is. So tell the viewers at home your name and the talent that you wish to display.
Well, my name is Devral, aka Chivius. Yeah.
Chivius!
I'm a DJ, you know?
Alright. So we're gonna see some mad thing.
Sick, man.
Sick, alright? I hope all of you viewers at home have the antidote. Cause when Devral deal with him thing, when him drop it, it go sick. You understand me? So, when did you realize that you were a DJ?
Well, it was back in high school when one day I studied a Vibes Cartel tune.
Okay.
And I went back to school and sing it and them say, youth, yeah, then you can DJ.
Yeah.
So one day I go home and just build a tune by myself and come back and rip up.
So the teacher ever hear your work?
Yeah, the teacher even heard me and carried me up on High Stedford.
Alright.
Went
Alright.
there and tear it up.
Straight. Alright. So, have you had any formal training?
Well, I would say that I trained by myself. And I went to a lot of stage show.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you perform on a number of stage show?
Number of stage show.
Just in Kingston or throughout the country?
Well, I went in Kingston one time. And I went to Waterford City and in my community.
Okay, alright, so I don't know, it's a good start, no?
Yeah, good
The whole
start,
of
yes.
Portmore, Kingston, look from this, you can take a whole line North Coast and tour right around Jamaica until you go international, yeah?
True.
Yeah, man, that was saying, okay, if God give you the talent, we're going to use it and who no want to see it shut your eye. Talent explosion, we say, yeah? Anyway, how has your talent benefited your life so far? How you see the benefits them will arrive in your life from your talent?
Well, it's not beneficial as yet. I will not make the money, is it?
Yeah.
But, well, when I have some, I mean, I say no, sometimes where I'm down, music will motivate me and, you know, get over.
And I want to tell you, say it's a personal benefit that, you know, because you see when you have something where you can use for smooth your soul, you know, for kind of get rid of pain, get rid of anger, because you see now today's society, when certain things come calling, you know, man, God know why him give them kind of talent here, you understand me?
Right.
Yeah, so it's a major benefit, but differently, we're ambitious, so we want financial benefit too.
Yeah.
You understand? Which leads to my next question. In the next 5 years, what you see your talent to do for you?
Well, see my talent, I make my upliftment, give me upliftment and, yeah, take me from out of the slum and is it help people who want it.
So when you refer to the slum, like, is an inner city, how you refer to the slum? Because I mean, you used to take you up from out of the slum, me.
The ghetto still.
Oh, the ghetto?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the man going to use him talent and him going to buy a house on the hill possibly, and what kind of car?
Well,
You have to
Ranger
talk
or
it into
Benz,
being,
you know.
you know. Yeah, a Ranger or Benz, you understand me?
Than cartel, though.
Yeah, I'm bigger than that too. You understand me? Cause you don't know. Everything start from a dream, but an empty dream. So me want you tell me you're planning at the 5 years towards reaching where you want.
Well, my plan is to do road like Movard, is it?
Yeah?
Alright, a lot of tune like 5-star tell.
Yeah.
I work hard at it.
Right.
And one day must get the bus though. Never give up.
Hey producer, I don't want to shut an eye and block up on the ears, you know. I want to take in the brother talent. And if him talent makes sense, I want to call him and work with the man and make him boss. You understand me? Hey, Jamaica, talent explosion. We're going to see the man work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Chief, you know?
Say it there.
Some friend them not real. Kill you for your own a meal. Who can hear go feel? Them coming like China made. Fake like we gun bread. Inna your own blood them want see your beard. Chivious. Now hear me, if you know say you not rate me, hypocrite friends me delete them later. The one where you so spam me name like lady. Brother girl, I'm gonna get a little baby when you see me, do not see me. When you hear me, do not hear me. Want take my life and you know that I feel me. Blood pan grung and me body them a fling it. Jaja protect me, me life him give me. No boy can friend me and kill me off. Now drink with them for them pill me off. No for them me get to find out but still me laugh like the one them where you work them rich crafty. Blood me cough it, split in half. He cut my life short like a dwarf, but Jah me shield and me Bible and me staff. Tell them this cause me know me no soft. Now heal me, if you know say you no rate me. Hypocrite friends me delete them later. The one where you so spam me name like lady. Brother girl, I'm gonna get a little baby when you see me, do not see me. When you hear me, do not hear me. Want take my life and you know that I feel me. Blood pan grung and me body them a fling it. Jah protect me, me life him give me them. Friend you wicked them, friend you cold. Smile with you, big and bold. Later on them want put you in a hole, want sell my life like cash gold. So me cut them off like through the tangle. My life them want fi out like kangaroo. Put hole in a head big like bangle. Friends like these are really sample. Now hear me, if you know say you not rate me. Hypocrite friends me delete them lately. The one where you so spam me name like lady. It's my dream. I can't tell you about my dream last night though. Everybody dream though. Alright. Last night me go have a dream. Some rich like Matalan, one buck up van, have some mix and girl enough like sun. Checking on me account at 10 million. Last night me go have a dream. Some rich like Matalan, one buck up van, have some mix and girl enough like sun. Checking on me account at 10 million. Lay down in my bed and by my queen, me just gone. In our next really big artist a perform. And no twins have twins and never Tony Mataran and never Movard the Cartel or Popcorn. No Bob Marley, the realist veteran, but it seems so real. Stick to my sense appeal. First me sign the contract with the $1 million deal. Alarm wake me up. More tell you how me feel. Last night me go have a dream. Some rich like Matalan, one buck up van, have some hits and girl enough like sun. Checking on me account at 10 billion. Last night me go have a dream. Some rich like Matalan, one buck up van, have some hits and girl enough like sun. Checking on me account at 10 million. This a sign. Alarm wake me up before my time. So me drop asleep back in my bed where I recline. And wake up back in a cash pot line. When me have 100 grand and buy number 9. Me pinch myself this time to see if I really true. Pinch myself till me black and blue. Then me looking at the sky and say thank you Father that's what you do. Otherwise wake me up and say you later after 2. Last night me go have a dream. Say me rich like Matalan, one buck up van, have some hits and girl enough like sun. Checking on me account at 10 million.
Talent explosion. And we say use your God-given talent and realize your dream. You hear what the man said last night, him have a dream. And how much million? See it there? Yo, you must realize your dream. You see me? Enough million we say. Talent explosion. Do remember, we are doing it on Links TV. Flow, channel 394. Oliver, channel 45. Our Starcom, channel 4. Hey, call me up and set up your appointment for interview. Call 847-4934. Talent explosion. Mad. Right about now, send some big up. Big up who you want big up.
Well, I want to say big up PCC, you know? Big up action with the pump action.
Well, hold on, because when you go big up action with the pump action, what well, you know says a musical pump action, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
See it there?
And that violence thing, you know?
See it there?
You see it? I mean, I say more big up some crew I mean to like never scares. Them people are motivate me to ride tune and go up on stage and them thing there. And I say,
Progression.
big up all the top rocks them again. Biggest motivation them, you know, from PCC.
See there, alright you know me I say big up every baby, you know? Big up every good father will look for them youth. Hey, big up every mother when I dash for them youth. Hey, Jamaica, big up everybody. Your host Kel saying from Talent Explosion. Live good, think right. Talent Explosion! Gonna lead!
When me rise and become a star, me want achieve me goal, me not sell me soul, but me not put me in a hole. So me know them goal, me want house and land, car and van, me want washing machine and stop using me hand. Me want beard in a shower and throw me up and me want richer than Scotia, Bruce and Porsche, money fee by the stop beef on like Porsche. Want what me wish for, as a little youth I me reach for. What me wish for, when me rise and become a star. What me wish for, as a little youth I me reach for. What me